Hi everyone, let's help another parent solve a geometry word problem. Let's begin. ABCD is a square. EDC is an isosceles triangle. Angle ACE is equal to 32 degrees. Find angle ADE. ABCD is a square, so let's look at the properties of the square. We know that the square has four equal sides, so that means the side AD and the side CD are equal. We also know that a square has four right angles, so that means angle ADC is equal to 90 degrees. This means that triangle ACD is an isosceles triangle, and the base angles of an isosceles triangle are equal. Therefore, we can say that angle DAC and angle DCA are equal. Now, since angle ADC is equal to 90 degrees and the sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degrees, we can take away 90 from 180 and that will give us a remaining 90 degrees. And if we divide that by 2, because as we said, the base angles are equal, then we will get 45 degrees. So angle DAC is equal to 45 degrees. And that also is the same for angle DCA. So angle DCA is also 45 degrees. Now we can compute for angle ECD, which I marked purple in this diagram. 45 take away 32 degrees is equal to 13 degrees. Angle ECD is equal to 13 degrees. Now let's take a look at the triangle EDC. And we said earlier that it's an isosceles triangle. So the sides CD and ED are equal. Since the base angles of an isosceles triangle are equal, we can also say that the angle DEC is equal to 13 degrees. This means that if I add 13 and 13 and 90 and the angle EDA, or the one that I marked red, I will get 180 degrees because the sum of the angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degrees. So let's compute for that red part, or angle ADE. 180 degrees take away 90 and take away 26 degrees is equal to 64 degrees. Angle ADE, therefore, is equal to 64 degrees. So there you have it. I hope you learned something new today. So if you want to learn more on how to teach children the Singapore Math Way, I have the on-demand webinar for parents and teachers on how to teach children Singapore Math. Here you will be introduced to what Singapore Math is, and you will learn how to teach preschoolers, grades 1 to 3, and grades 4 to 6 children the Singapore Math Way. If you are interested, scan the QR code that we have here. Do you want your children or your students to master the Singapore Math Bar Model Method? I have the perfect book for you. This is the Singapore Math Bar Model Method from beginner to advanced level. What is so good about this book is that it contains QR codes that you can scan that will lead you to the videos of the discussion of all the word problems in this book. Interested? Scan the QR code that we have here. Thank you for watching this video. Have a good day. Bye.